This is the only video you need to watch before you plan your first international solo travel. In this video, we are going to cover everything from the time you enter the airport to clearing your immigration and until you reach your final destination. Everything is covered in this video. Let's go to the airport. So once you enter the airport, you need to find this panel which tells you about the boarding pass, where you can get your boarding pass. So you can locate that place using this. It has all the information about which row you were, where you will get your boarding pass. So you need to locate that row, which is basically right here. So you have to match your boarding pass, your airline boarding pass gate to this row and find it. For my airline, which is Cathay Pacific, my row is H and J. So I need to find those row to get my boarding pass. So now I will locate it. So for me, the H is right here. So I will now find my airline and then get my boarding pass, and then I will show you the next steps. Right now I'm standing in the row of my airline to get my boarding pass. As soon as I get the boarding pass, the next step is to drop the bag and luggage, and then we will clear the immigration. Right now, you could just deposit your bags there and they will issue you the boarding pass, and right after that, you will clear the immigration. If it's an international flight, it's a whole different thing for domestic flights, which I'm gonna talk about maybe later or in another video. I just got my boarding pass and now I'm on my way to clear immigration. Immigration is different for every country. You have an immigration desk where you clear, and you only need to clear immigration for international flights. You don't need to clear immigration for domestic flights. So right now the immigration counter for this airport is right over here. And now we are on our way. You just need your boarding pass and your passport to clear the immigration. That's all the documents you need. And I will try to clear the immigration and I will talk to you right after I clear it. So as soon as you clear immigration from there, the gates open and you arrive to this area. This is a security check area, and you place your luggage over here and they check it through security devices, and you pass through a scanner and they check you. This is the last step in terms of clearing immigration, because right after this you enter lounge areas and the area where you could actually relax. Once you clear this security check, you just need to put your luggage and you also pass through a scanner. Once you're done with this, you can relax and please be seated near your boarding gate, or you could just buy some coffee or any other thing that you like. You could just roam around the airport too. So at some airports, you're required to remove your electronics such as laptops or other audio devices from your bag and place it in this tray and pass it through a scanner. But at some advanced international airports, you don't require to do it. Hong Kong is the airport where I wasn't required to actually remove my electronics. They just let me go. They just scan my bag and that's it. But the airport that I'm right now, they do require me to remove my electronics from my personal bag and keep it in a tray and pass to the scanner. So we just cleared the security. It was very brief. They had scanners over there. They checked our bag. They checked our bag here and they scanned us over there. That was a very simple process. And now I'm free to travel around the airport without any hesitation or any worry. And one more thing. So I'm flying to Cathay Pacific, and they also checked in my cabin bag for free. They didn't charge me anything, so now I'm hands-free. I could travel anywhere without any tension. My flight is in 2 hours from right now, so I'm excited. Yeah, so I will take a look around the airport and I will tell the steps. What are the other steps that you need to follow right after you pass the immigration and security. Now we are heading to the lounge area. So once you enter the area after your immigration security, you need to find your boarding gate. You could locate it on your boarding pass. You could locate that on your boarding pass, and There will be signboards everywhere. For me, there are signboards over here. So you need to match your gate number with the letters that are mentioned on your boarding pass, and you need to arrive at your boarding gate, and then you wait until your boarding is done, or they call you for boarding, so you need to wait until then. It's as per the priority, it's as per the group wise. I think it's mostly get classified from group 1 to group 6. We are finally boarding the flight. Excited, super excited.
We recommend keeping your seatbelt fastened even if the sign is up.
So right now I'm in Hong Kong. I have my connecting flight over here, and now I have my connecting flight from Hong Kong to Chicago. They didn't ask me much. They only took my passport and my boarding pass. They asked me for my connecting flight's boarding pass. So that's the only two things that you're required to make your transfer from an international flight. Like if it's just a transfer from one airline to another, that's it. So right now I've passed through the boarding gate, and now I'm on my way on my flight. So right here, so I'm boarding my flight. It was super simple. After you clear not the immigration but the security checkpoints, your baggage again goes through security checkpoints, and they'll also verify your identity by seeing your boarding pass and your passport. That's all you need, and now I will board my plane and finally on my way to Chicago. And there we will have our final immigration check, and I will tell you how to clear the final immigration check. So I just cleared my immigration in the US at Chicago International Airport. This was a long journey. They don't ask much questions. They just check your passport, and if you're on a visa, they just check your visa. And if you're on a student visa, they also check your I-20. And they might ask some random questions, so just be confident and answer those. And that was the whole trip. I just collected my baggage. So when you clear immigration, they have clear signs where you could collect your baggages from. It's usually right after your immigration. So I just collected my baggage. So they have a huge screen over there which tells you your airline, which reflects your airline and the place where you could collect your baggages. And that's it. That's all it takes for you to make your first international trip. I hope you did find this video informative. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.